Hi guys, I'm Marlene and welcome to my home and garden channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I use a few items such as this scarecrow right here, a couple of chrysanthemums and pumpkins to decorate my yard and my front porch for fall. And I hope it gives you some great ideas to decorate your space. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. So let's go on outside and see what I did, and I'll also give you a tour as well too once we're finished. So guys, these are the items that we used. I got a autumn garland and I'm going to put it around the trellis. And it actually has two little loops at the bottom. So basically we could just take them and just hook them in at the bottom. And you can use any type of trellis, or some people may even use an old rake and just, run it along. And what I do is I use my floral wire to secure it in place. And you can use multiple ones too to make it, to give more coverage on there. But I was just going for one this time. And that makes a good background sometimes. And over here I have a beautiful pumpkin. I like the bright color that it has. And I also have this harvest blessing sign, which, already puts me in the mood for Thanksgiving. And over here, this one says farm fresh pumpkins, 25 cents per pound. So that's going to be pointing to where the pumpkin patch is going to be. And speaking of pumpkins, this little sign that we got, it was actually looking like that you see on the back there. But we went ahead and we painted it, and that was a really nice activity to do. And then over here we have the scarecrows, and we have the mummy scarecrow. And I did replace the bow tie and put a little flower on there. I thought that was really cute, giving it a little feminine touch. And of course the other ones are for my husband and for the boys. So what we did first was to clear off the older mulch that was there, because it was getting, really old and tired looking. And we went ahead and we replaced some new ones, and that's what my husband is doing right there. And we're just going to show you what it looks like. Of course, there are different types of mulch that you can use, because most times we use pine bark mulch, which has a lighter color, and the pieces are a little bit bigger. But this time we decided to use something else, just to try something different. So if you've never used it before, this is what it looks like. And you can, decide which one you want to choose. And over here, my son is taking a look at the different things that we're using. And we're going to take out that ground cover that you're seeing there. It's kind of faded and green, and it's spreading out too much. And then you just basically strategically place what you're putting in. And if the soil isn't wet, you'll want to go in and water it down first to make sure that they go in very smoothly. And so first, here is a porch, guys. And there is my beautiful chrysanthemum. If you've been watching my videos, I've had that one for quite a few years. And as you can see, the blooms are coming out. They're kind of like two-toned at first, and there are quite a few more left to come out. And here you have my beautiful, you can see my beautiful hello fall sign right there, and my wreath that I made. And of course, our give thanks sign, because again, we're doing fall, and that's going to be including the Thanksgiving season. And we have this beautiful pop of color over here that came from some more florals and some cattails in there. And this is another little chrysanthemum that I had repotted. And guys, I'll link at the end for you a video that shows you how to repot them, because this croton here has probably doubled or tripled in size since I repotted it. It grew so much over the summer. It just looks so healthy and so beautiful. And over here we have the little pumpkin in a little basket, just to give it that kind of like, harvest feel. And guys, if you've made it this far in the video, if you've never subscribed to my channel before, I do hope that you'll hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell so you can see my future videos. They can be suggested. You can decide which ones you wanted to see. I do gardening as well as decorating videos. So I just love how they are coming along. They look so nice. And I hope that this gives you some great ideas so far. And next we're going to go and take a look to see what we did in the yard. And I'd love to see your comments, guys, as to what you thought about it and what your plans are. So here it is, our little scarecrow family right here. And this is a really nice idea. If you have kids or grandkids of a certain age, it's really a fun activity to get them involved with you to put these things in place. You can always get one for each person in the family, so they have that special feeling that, this is theirs, they belong with a group. And, it's just a very great bonding experience. So I definitely recommend it. You can see the sign was pointing there, showing you that is a little pumpkin patch over there. And I just used the one large pumpkin, but of course you can use multiple pumpkins and multiple chrysanthemums. And guys, be sure to grab yourself a nice little warm mug of chocolate or something and just relax a little bit, on these nice, cool autumn days. So I really hope that this gave you some great ideas as to how to decorate your space, lasting for the whole fall season right up on into Thanksgiving. I do thank you so much, for continuing to watch my videos. I hope that they inspire you and they help you to decorate your space. And we just enjoy these wonderful colors. Just looking so beautiful and so fresh. And of course, once it starts to get cooler, you'll want to go ahead and start planting your cool weather flowers, which is what I'm going to be doing in the near future. So be sure to follow along with me, guys, so you can get to see all of those videos that I'm going to be doing. And I also will list my autumn playlist as well. So you can always watch that and you get great ideas for decorating, for caring for your flowers, and all of that. So I do want to thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you for my faithful subscribers who keep coming back time and time again. I wish you all a happy fall season and have a wonderful rest of the day. Take care.